Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, techniques for designing a facility layout. So we already discussed about facility layout. So two main techniques of designing a facility layout are block diagramming and Richard with a systematic layout planning. So layout we already discussed. So it's nothing but outline. So block diagramming. What do you mean by block diagramming? The block diagram can be prepared by using the following steps. Analyze the unit load summary that provides information about the average number of unit loads moved between different departments of an organization. Calculate the composite movements, back and forth movement of the unit load between the departments and rank them from the highest movement to the lowest movement. So you are going to rank to the highest to lowest movement. Place the trial layouts which are designed using the ranking between departments on a grid. The grid represents the relative distance between the departments. So Richard Muther's systematic layout planning. So what do you mean by Richard Muther's systematic layout planning is? Systematic layout planning is a technique developed by Richard Muther and associates. The three fundamental areas of the techniques are relationship, space, and adjustment. This technique combines quantitative measurement of materials, movement with the non-flow considerations such as noise. They are not movable. So noise, fumes, temperature, supervision, communications, personal comfort, and movement. So in this technique, a grid displays the rating of the relative importance of the distance between different departments of an organization. This grid is also called as closeness rating chart. In this chart, the rating for department A relative to department B is similar to the rating of department B to department A. Closeness ratings are given to departments in the form of codes which depict the desired closeness of the departments according to the relative strength of the closeness. So what is the benefit? What is the advantage means this technique clearly documents the logic of the layout and easily allows input from all levels of staff. So next we are going to discuss the unit number 5. So the last unit is a very important topic, purchasing management. What do you mean by purchasing management? So management we know, right? You have to monitor all the activities in that organization. So management is an art. Management is an art of getting things done by others. So purchasing management is a department in an organization responsible only for purchasing activities, purchasing raw material, purchasing anything, right? So it's a purchasing management. So purchase is most important function in every organization. So purchase is the first element which affects the product cost. Purchase management decides profitability of the company because we are going to purchase the raw materials. The raw materials only, with the help of raw materials only, we are going to manufacture any product. So raw materials cost is very, very important. So the purchasing management department ensures that all goods, supplies, and inventory needed to operate the business are ordered and kept in stock. It's also responsible for controlling the cost of the goods ordered, controlling inventory levels, and building strong relationship with suppliers. Because we already discussed suppliers, we know that suppliers easily we will get the quality raw materials. So always you are having continuous contact with your suppliers to receive your raw materials. So what is the objective? What are the objectives of the purchasing management? To keep department expenses low, development of good and new vendors. It means new suppliers. So you have to develop the cordial relationship with the new vendors and suppliers. Development of good relation with the existing suppliers. Training and development of personal employees in department. So training and development, how to use the product. That's also we need the training. So we don't want to use more. So it will be in the limit level. So you have to train in that purchase department to maintain proper and up-to-date records of all transactions. So what are the transactions will have been done? So you have to record all the transactions with the particular date. So participating in development of new material and products to contribute in product improvement, to avoid stock out situation, to develop policies and procedure. So you have to develop the policies and procedure. So every employees must follow the procedure and policy to use that particular product to purchase the particular raw materials. So as per the procedure and policies. So these are the functions of purchasing management. receive purchase request. So starting point of procurement activity is a statement of requirement of production. So review and evaluate requisition. So first, immediately you are not accepted, right? So you have to review and evaluate that request. So purchase department review the following, like item description. So what is the item we purchased? So item description, quantity, then estimated purchase price or last purchase price. So what is the estimation? It's nothing but quotation. So whatever the raw materials you are going to purchase, before you get the quotation, then only you can take a decision. So what is the last purchased price? So depends upon that, it will change. So consumption pattern in the last 3 years when the material is required. So these are the things we have to check it in that purchasing management. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.